Welcome to Matic, where we help people fear less, build confidence, solve problems. All by explaining fundamental principles of calculation so you don't feel awkward or scared whenever you need to deal with any number or numerical task. Today we will focus on ancient mathematical puzzle of addition of numbers 1, 2, 3 and so on until 99 and 100 from top of your head. Whenever we are dealing with mathematical puzzles, I advise to use step-by-step approach consisting of following. Firstly, do not get scared, do not panic. The puzzle you are tackling probably has a solution, otherwise it would not be presented to you. Obviously, you are a smart person, otherwise you would not be dealing with calculation puzzles. Secondly, try to look at the big picture, summarizing all the known facts on a piece of paper. In our case, it is obvious that we are summing numbers which are growing by 1. That is 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 and so on. Another fact that we can use is the actual number of numbers. As we are summing from 1 to 100, it is clear that we are executing addition of 100 numbers. Thirdly, let's try to find a system that could be used to sum up all the numbers without using time-consuming addition of numbers one by one. This step seems to be critical, and we might struggle. We might struggle a lot. We might get confused, we might get desperate. If that is the case, try to simplify the task. Instead of doing addition of numbers 1 to 100, why don't you do the addition of numbers 1 to 10? Can you find some system, or in other words, shortcut, how to do the calculation? So 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 6 plus 7 plus 8 plus 9 plus 10, that's 55. Good job, nicely done, but it seems like we haven't moved much. What about sum of numbers 11 to 20? 11 plus 12 plus 13 plus 14 plus 15 plus 16 plus 17 plus 18 plus 19 plus 20? Shall we write it as 10 plus 1 and 10 plus 2 and 10 plus 3 and so on until 10 plus 10? Now it is obvious that we are adding again 1 plus 2 plus 3 and so on until 10, which is 55, plus 10 times 10, which is 100. So overall, sum will be 155. Shall we go in this fashion until 100? Let's do it for 20s, so that we check if there is a pattern or not. So 20 plus 1 and 20 plus 2 and 20 plus 3 and so on until 20 plus 10. Now it is obvious that we are adding again 1 plus 2 plus 3 and so on until 10, which is 55, plus 20 times 10, which is 200. So overall result is 255. Is there a pattern? Yes! So we would sum 55 plus 155 plus 255 plus 355 and so on until 955. Or in other words, 100 plus 200 plus 300 and so on until 900. The total sum is 4500 and 55 times 10, which is 550. 4500 plus 550 equals 5050. Seems like it wasn't difficult after all. Good job! You are happy with yourself, satisfied with your mathematical skills, and you move on with your life. Later in the day, you go for a walk, or you take a long shower, or you go to bed, and your mind returns to the calculation unconsciously. Suddenly, you realize that there is also a much more simple solution. So 1 plus 100 is 101. 2 plus 99 is 101. 3 plus 98 is 101 again. 4 plus 97 is 101 again. You realize that there is 100 divided by 2, that is 50 of these additions. So what you needed to do in the first place was just to multiply 101 times 50 to get the final result of 5050. You acknowledge the beauty of the calculation and the simplicity of the task that seemed complex at first. Do you know any other mathematical puzzles that we can explore in this channel? Please let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe to our channel to get the latest training videos and information about our online courses.